Good morning everybody. Got a slight issue with my motorbike. I've gone to try and take the seat off and the key is snapped in the lock. So the end of the key's in the lock. I'm going to try and get it out myself using a couple of sort of household items that we've all got, and we'll see how we get on. So here's the key snapped off in the lock that gets the seat off. You can just see it in there. So what I'm going to do, I've got a couple of pairs of tweezers from inside the house. One's got a really thin end on it and one is just like a normal pair of tweezers. I've got some 3-in-1 oil, so I'm going to spray a little bit of that in there. Give it a bit of lubricant to help me get it out, and I'm gonna get the tweezers and see if I can get this out. Okay, so I've tried the both the tweezers, but they won't get in there because this lock here, the actual lock mechanism, sits a little bit below this little cover here, so it's actually quite far down in there, and I can't get the jaws of these down far enough and they don't open wide enough. So what I'm going to try is a hair grip, a good suggestion by my wife via a previous job of nicking cars all day long. So we're going to try a hair grip. So, you know, I've got a hair grip here. I'm going to bend it open. They've got like a little tiny little nipple bit on the end, which we might be able to get in there and pull it out. So if we have a look in there, there's like a little rail that sits on down the side of the key. I'm going to try and get the end of that in that rail and pull it up. So let's give it a go. So it's trying to slot that in there. Oh, it's moved a bit. Okay, so it does slot down the rail. What I'm going to do is I'm going to twist it a little bit. See if that's definitely coming. It's definitely coming up. I've just got hold of it and it's come out a bit. There you go, it's coming up. Right, okay, so that's come up flush with the cover now. I'm just wondering if I can now get the tweezers. Will they be thin enough to grab it? I think they're going to be. Oh, that started coming then. So we've managed to prise it out to a point where with the hair grip, to a point where I think we can probably get the tweezers on it now and pull it, maybe. Oh, there you go. It's out. So, just to recap, the hair clip was the winner really. That allowed us to start getting it out, combined with the tweezers and the thicker end tweezers, which give us more leverage. The smaller tweezers that we used, although they did seem to grab hold of it, they didn't have enough leverage because the ends were so small. So there you go, it's out. Yeah, job done. So hopefully if anybody has the same issue, that might give them some tips on what they could try with some household items that we've all got around the house. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and I'll speak to you all soon.